Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Berani belajar, kalian harus berani. Nah, kali ini kita masuk ke unit 10. Udah unit 10 aja nih, yeah. Nah, kita udah bahas sebelumnya adalah present perfect continuous. Dan menjadi pertanyaan, gimana sih membedain present perfect continuous sama present perfect biasa gitu ya. Kan udah sama-sama lampau gitu ya. Nah, contoh penggunaannya adalah I've been doing and I've done. Nggak usah lama-lama lagi, langsung aja kita ke TKP. Kita langsung ke yang A dulu. Karena yang A ini adalah pembahasan secara atau dia membandingkan, mengcompare atau dua situasi yang berbeda ya. Dari yang si present perfect continuous sama present perfect biasa ya. Nah, I've been painting my bedroom. Lihat nih, dia masih baru saja, bahkan dia ini belum selesai ya, karena masih kelihatan tuh belum tercat semua warna kuning. Nah, kemudian di sisi sebelah kanan yang ini dia I've painted my bedroom. Nah, kelihatan udah selesai, dia ngomong itu kayak udah selesai lah, nggak baru saja selesai gitu ya. Kemudian kita baca kalimatnya, there is paint on a cat clothes. She's been painting her bedroom. Nah, itu tandanya karena masih ada bekas-bekas cat ya, bahkan di bajunya gitu ya. Has been painting is the present perfect continuous yang udah kita bahas sebelumnya. Jadi kalau teman-teman langsung lihat di video ini, kalian harus mundur dulu ya satu video sebelumnya untuk si present perfect continuous, kemudian untuk yang present perfect biasa di unit berapa itu? 78 ya. Nah, kalian bisa ke sana. We are thinking of the activity. It does not matter whether it has been finished or not. In this example, the activity painting the bedroom has not finished. Jadi kita nggak peduli sebenarnya udah selesai atau nggak, tapi biasanya untuk recently activity that recently stopped gitu ya. Nah, kemudian yang ini kita baca. The bedroom was green. Sebelumnya kamar tidur ini warnanya hijau, now it's yellow. Nah, she has painted her bedroom. Nah, okay. Has painted is the present perfect simple. Here the important thing is that something has been finished. Sudah selesai. She has painted is a complete action. We are thinking about the result. Kita lihat nih resultnya dari aktivitas, bahwa kamarnya udah tercat, bukan the activity itself, bukan dari aktivitas orangnya lagi udah ngecat, tapi udah kita lihat tuh resultnya udah tercat tuh kamar gitu ya. Kalau kita compare aja deh biar gampang ke bagian B. Nah, my hands are very dirty. I've been repairing my bike. Tanganku sangat kotor nih. Aku bisa dibilang telah memperbaiki sepeda. Saat itu udah selesai atau belum, itu it doesn't matter ya. Nah, kemudian my bike is okay again now. Sepedaku, my bike apa ya? Bike itu motor atau sepeda sih? My bike is okay again now. I have repaired it. Aku telah finish ya, udah finish ya. Apa buktinya? Resultnya itu. His bike is okay again now. Nah, itu deh. Kemudian yang berikutnya, ini tadi yang ini ya, sama yang ini. Kemudian ini, Joe has been eating too much recently. He should eat less. Dia terlalu banyak makan nih akhir-akhir ini, dia harus baru-baru ini dia harus mengurangi makannya. Kemudian, somebody has eaten all the chocolates. The box is empty. Udah has eaten, udah dimakan. Kenapa? Apa resultnya ini? The box is empty. Nah, kemudian kita lanjut. It's nice to see you again. What have you been doing since we last met? Ya, senang bertemu denganmu lagi. Apa yang telah kamu lakukan sejak kita ketemu terakhir? Nah, ya. Kemudian di sini, where's the book I gave you? What have you done with it? Apa yang telah kamu lakukan berarti kayak aktivitasnya udah selesai sih harusnya ya. Kemudian berikutnya, where have you been? Have you been playing tennis? Kemana aja kamu? Apakah kamu bermain tenis? Have you ever played tennis? Apakah kamu pernah main tenis? Nah, itu itunya compare-nya. Kemudian kita ke yang C. Ini sore agak buru-buru ya, soalnya udah maghrib. We use the continuous to say how long for something that is still happening. Kita menggunakan continuous itu untuk to say how long, berapa lama something that is still happening, bahwasanya itu masih sedang berlangsung gitu. Misalnya kita contoh ya, how long have you been reading that book? Berapa lama kamu telah membaca buku itu, dan saat itu ya masih still happening. Kemudian Amy is writing emails. She's been writing emails all morning. Si Amy ini menulis email, sedang menulis email. Dia menulis email all morning, dari pagi itu, kayak all morning itu dihabiskan buat writing email. Kemudian they have been playing tennis since 2 o'clock. Oke, jelas ya. I'm learning Arabic but I haven't been learning it very long. Oke. Kemudian kalau kita lihat yang present perfect biasa, we use the simple to say how much. Tadi kan ini how long ya, how long for something nih. Ini simple to say how much, how many, or how many times for complete action. Nah, untuk kegiatan udah selesai. Kayak, how many page of that book have you read? Read. Kemudian itu ya, berapa lembar sih dari buku ini udah kau baca gitu ya. Amy has sent lots of email this morning. Amy telah mengirim banyak email pagi ini. Kemudian they have played tennis 3 times this week. Karena udah terjadi ya, ditanya how much ya. Kemudian I'm learning Arabic but I haven't learned very much yet. Aku memang belajar bahasa Arab, tapi aku belum lama belajarnya, tapi udah kelar tuh dia ngomong. Kemudian kita masuk ke yang D. Some verbs, for example, know, are not normally used in continuous form being. Sama juga kayak di yang continuous. Waktu kita bahas yang continuous itu ada beberapa verb yang emang nggak dipakai ya gitu ya. Contohnya gini, I've known about the problem for a long time, not I've been knowing. Nah, how long have you had that camera? Bukan not have you been having. Have you been having? Nah, padahal sebenarnya saat itu dia nanya kayak, ya sebenarnya bisa pakai si ini apa namanya, si continuous, tapi untuk beberapa verb itu nggak cocok gitu ya. Untuk list bisa dilihat di unit 4A. For have itu bisa di unit 17. Kita belum sampai ke sana, tapi kalau kalian mau lihat yang list verbnya di unit 4A udah ada ya di video. Lihat aja di playlistnya yang bagian 4. 4A maksudnya 4 bagian yang ini, 4. Nah, kayak gitu ya cara bacanya. Oke, but note, catat bahwa that you can use want and mean in the present perfect continuous. Have or has been verb ing. I've been meaning to phone Anna, but I keep forgetting. Bisa dipakai ya. Wanting berarti I've been wanting to meet you, but I keep forgetting. Oke. Ya, boleh lah. Karena kalau misalnya kita pahami waktu itu di listnya want sama mean itu nggak bisa pakai ing-nya, tapi ternyata bisa. Itu pengecualian berarti. Nah, kita masuk ke exercise langsung ya. Kita masuk ke exercise yang 10.1 dulu. Jadi dia minta read the situation and complete the sentence ya, sama kayak biasa sentences. Use the verb in the brackets. Mana bracketsnya? Oh, yang di tanda kurung ya berarti. Tom started reading a book 2 hours ago. He is still reading it, and now he is on the page 53. He has been reading for 2 hours. He has read 53 pages so far. Okay. Rachel is from Australia. She is traveling around Europe. She began her trip 3 months ago. She's been berarti traveling for 3 months, cocok ya. Kemudian she's visited 6 countries so far. Tapi itu she has been traveling sama she has visited ya. Karena jelas dia masih traveling 3 months ago, tapi dia udah mengunjungi 6 negara, jelas ya. Nah, number 3, Patrick is a tennis player. Patrick adalah seorang pemain tenis. He began playing tennis. He began playing tennis when he was 10 years old. This year he won the national champion again for the 4th time. Nah, for the 4th time itu pasti present perfect, gak pakai continuous. He has won berarti ya. Nah, he's won the national, okay. Kemudian he's been playing tennis. Sebenarnya boleh pakai tenis atau enggak sebenarnya nggak apa-apa ya, karena kita udah tahu konteksnya sedang bermain tenis. He's been playing tennis since he was 10. Sabi. Number 4, when they left college, saat mereka meninggalkan perguruan tinggi, Lisa and Sue started making film together. Mereka mulai nih bikin film bersama. They still make film. Mereka masih ya, berarti they have been making film since they left college. Kemudian telah membikin berarti udah ini ya, present perfect ya. They have juga, ini kurang. They have make, jadi made ya. Nah, they have made 5 films since they left college. Jadi mereka udah bikin 5 film tuh. Nah, oke, kita masuk ke 10.2. X continues using the word in brackets in the use the present perfect simple. Have, has done, or continuous have, has been doing. Waduh, oke. You have a friend who is learning Arabic. You ask, how long learn Arabic? How long have you been learning Arabic? Okay. You have just arrived to meet a friend. She is waiting for you. Berarti have you been waiting long? Nah, apakah kamu telah menunggu lama gitu ya? Kira-kira ya. Nah, kemudian number 3, you see somebody fishing by the river. You ask. Nah, ini berarti pakai apakah udah ada gitu ya. Berarti have you catch jadi apa ya yang bentuk ketiganya ya? Catch jadi caught ya. Betul sih. Have you caught any fish? Atau yet juga boleh sih. Nah, some friends of yours are having a party next week. You ask. Sebagian temanmu akan mengadakan party minggu depan. You ask. Nah, how many people have you invited? Beberapa orang tuh kau undang gitu ya. Number 5 ini aku sisain ya 2 buat kalian ya. Oh, 1 aja deh, soalnya agak beda dia. Ini sama yang ini deh. Aduh, ini lagi azan, sorry guys ya, kita buru-buru deh. Number 5, a friend of yours is teacher. You ask, how long have you been teaching? Nah, kemudian number 6, you met somebody who is a writer. You ask, how many books? Berarti how many, ini berarti present perfect ya. How many books have you wrote? Tapi masih berlangsung ya. Berarti how many books have you been writing ya? How many books have you written? How many books have you? Tapi bener ya, harus pakai present perfect sih ini. How many books have you written? Nah, karena dia nanya berapa buku, berarti udah selesai ya gitu. Kemudian, nah ini baru. How long have you been writing books? Nah, oke. Number yang 10.3. Contoh yang pertama, where have you been? Have you been playing tennis? Look, somebody karena baru saja ya, itu berarti somebody has broken that window. You look tired. Nah, ini baru. Have you been working hard gitu ya. Number 4, in a factory. You ever work? Berarti have you ever been working ya? Have you ever been working? Karena ada pakai ininya ya, ever ya. Have you ever been working? Jelek banget lagi tulisannya coy. Working in a factory, no, never. Number 5, where's Lisa? Where has she gone berarti. She gone. Nah, this is a very old book. I've been having it since I was a child. Bah, tapi kalau aku bilang kayak gitu, harusnya nggak pakai ini ya. Sorry. Kayaknya aku salah paham nih. Kayaknya lebih tepat sih pakai present perfect ya. Oh, I've had, nah, it since was a child. Have you been busy now? No, I have been watching. My brother is an actor. He, berarti ini he has appeared in several. Ini number 9, sorry I'm late, that's alright. I haven't, berarti sorry, berarti nggak disingkat kayak gitu. Haven't been waiting long. Number 10, are you okay? You look as if kurang paham sih aku maksudnya apa ya. You look as if, oh kayak baru saja menangis ya. You have been crying. Number 11, is still raining? No, it has been stopped. The children are tired now. They baru saja have been playing. Kemudian number 13, I lost, ya berarti aku kehilangan. I've lost my phone. Nah, baru kita tanya, have you seen it? Nah, have you seen? Tapi nggak cocok juga ya, apakah kamu baru saja berarti ini, sorry, ini pakai ini aja, have you seen it? Okay. Number 14, I had read the book you lent me, but I haven't been finishing it yet. It's really interesting. Tapi kalau I have read berarti udah kelar dong. Berarti gimana sih? Berarti nggak cocok gini. Berarti masih berlangsung dia. I have been reading, berarti reading the book. Nah, I haven't been finishing. Nah, gitu kali ya. Tapi kalau I haven't been finishing nggak cocok juga. Malahan aku harusnya bilang kayak aku belum selesai bacanya gitu ya. I haven't, sorry, maaf ya buat kalian bingung. Gue juga bingung juga sih. I haven't finished, pakai ed. It's really interesting. Ya, itu pembahasan 10 dari 145. Semangat guys, tetap mari kita selesaikan. Thank you atas perhatiannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.